Many people believe that when they create a course, they've got to put everything in their course, every single piece of information that they can possibly think about the subject that they're going to create their course on. But the truth is, that's not really the way to go, because what actually happens is it becomes an information dump. It's too much information. It all ends up as theory, not really useful information. This is not really what students actually want. What students want is how to do it. So if you look on the internet, you'll see millions of results when you type in the word how to. Same on YouTube, and lots of books with the title of where they start how to. And it's been documented that books in the non-fiction category that start with how to are always amongst the top selling books. The reason is because people want to know how to do things. So people want to know how to do things as a result of taking your course. So when they take your course, they want at the end of it to be able to go out and catch specimen fish, win fishing competitions, or they might want to take photographs, be a photographer or make money from their photographs, or they might want to just learn how to do cool things on their computer, or build a website, or build a business on their computer, or do techie stuff, learning things like programming and so on. And the thing is, students want these results fast. Everybody on the internet these days are short of time. Time is precious. So what they want to do is they want to find information that helps them get what they want to do fast. So students want to learn how to do things. They don't just want to learn theory. They actually want to learn how to do something. They want to be able to get a result, not just learn lots of information. So don't give a brain dump to your students. Give them how to do it. So what you're going to learn in this course is how to create a step-by-step outline to create a step-by-step course, one that's going to give your students action steps. So not theory, not just information and all that sort of thing. It's going to be a step-by-step course. Do this, do this, and do this, and do this. Your students are going to love this because by following the steps in your course, they're going to get the result that they want. And this really does make life easier for you, because you can create your outline really simply by following the step-by-step method I'm going to show you, that you can be able to use over and over again to create this type of course. So with that, let's get on to creating our outline and go through the steps with me now of how you can do that.